IKEA mood. I don't know what to do with her. I wonder who's in here. Here she is.
Hello?
You are such a little caveman. So what are you doing right now?
It's called cutting in. I'm cutting in the edges.
It's like building a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah, because you can't use a roller on the edges. Painting 101 with Leonie. It's time to paint the door. Painting doors every day. Painting doors in every single way. Painting doors, oh wow. Painting doors, what a wonderful day.
Does your life contain of anything else than brushing walls?
Man, I wish it did. There just comes a time in life when you just get sick of freaking painting.
There comes a time in life when you're sick of yellow walls too.
Sure. Tap, tap, tap. The access.
Beat the devil out of it.
No, we don't want paint splatters. You know, I've noticed like when I'm painting, I think a lot.
Okay, what do you think about?
I think a lot about, you know, life and politics and utopia. Like I was genuinely like standing here the other day painting my wall and I was like, huh, what makes people hate? Yeah, I was trying to figure out or solve the world's problems, but it's not gonna happen by painting, I don't think. How are you?
I'm good. So you're saying this is a little form of bringing out the thoughts?
Exactly. This has been Leonie for Leonie's Home Renovations. Visit my website for more details on how you can be a home renovator like me.
What do you want?
We're at IKEA looking for things for my room. I kind of like this as my office desk. It's like tall, go up like I'm working, and it's big enough if I want to do like a flat lays or something, and good for if I have more friends over to play card games.
Can I tell you the truth?
What?
Your room's too small.
You think so?
That's the truth. Do you like this place?
I love IKEA.
IKEA mood. Nice. We did it. Mission accomplished. Leonie's room might just become what it always was meant to be.